constant hand wash and household chores dry out your skin. And it is not only the problem that we face. Constant exposure to UV rays causes skin damage. Plus, the hand is the prime area where signs of aging first appear. So hand masks must be included in your daily skincare routine, as it will hold the moisture of your hand, and weekly use of this sheet mask lets you find your desired relief. And also, you can pamper yourself with its active benefits. There are thousands of hand masks present in the market, so to make your search easier, we have come up with the 5 best hand masks for you. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you're looking for a heavy-hitting hydrator for your precious hands, the Karuna Hydrating+Hand mask might be the greatest option for you, which delivers maximum results overnight. It replenishes moisture to your hands with the power of camellia flower extract to give your skin maximum benefits. This swipe-friendly product removes all dry patches of your hands. Moreover, it leaves your skin softer than ever. The clean and moisturizing formula of these gloves hugs every inch of your hands. It contains a creamy formula that works well to transform dry skin to healthy looking. It also doesn't contain any harsh chemicals like paraben, dyes, and phthalates. The Karuna Hydrating+Hand mask has earned many positive feedbacks on Amazon, as users like the product for its amazing results. But some of them complain that the product is a bit pricey. So it's time to rate this product. When it comes to user acceptance and value, we'll gladly give this hand mask 5 stars. But it is quite pricey, so we're gonna give it 4 stars on that. The Bodipure HandPure hand mask is a fan favorite product. And within just 20 minutes, it shows magic with a combination of benefiting ingredients. It provides your hands with anti-aging protection, particularly helps you to achieve more vibrant skin. Without using any harsh chemical, it gives you a clear skin, and the more important thing is that it helps bring your hand skin back to life. This product is infused with powerful ingredients that help to restore the skin's elasticity while giving nourishment. So say goodbye to uncomfortable cracked skin with this treatment mask. Additionally, this product is made without using any mineral oil and is also cruelty-free. The Bodipure HandPure hand mask pleasantly surprised its users, and they were amazed with its moisturizing effects. Plus, it's a great treatment for dry, cracked hands. But besides all of those positive feedbacks, some of them were still not satisfied with their results. So let's take a look at the ratings. In case of value and price, we will give it 5 stars. But when it comes to user acceptance, we will give it 4 stars. Moving on to our next product, it's the I'm Lovely Peach Hand Mask, a touchscreen friendly product which moisturizes your hands perfectly. It works on the concern of dullness and dryness of your hand skin. Everyday household chores take away the beauty of your nails, and rich ingredients in this product help to get rid of cracking hands and bring back the lost beauty within a very short time. It has the goodness of peach and peony extract that soothe and calm redness while pampering your hands. The product also contains the greatness of honeysuckle extract, as it has hydrating quality. It reduces the signs of aging while intensely hydrating your hands while naturally firming skin. The I'm Lovely Peach Hand Mask has earned much popularity, and they loved the light peach smell of the product. But some of the users complained that it doesn't give a lasting effect. Time to check out the ratings now. When it comes to user acceptance and value, we'll easily give this product 5 stars. but in case of price, it will only get 4 stars. Our next pick for today's video is the Epielle Intensive Repairing Hand Masks, which provide much needed moisture on your rough hands with the goodness of coconut and milk extract. Each pair of hand gloves gives calming moments of relaxation while softening your dry hands and nails. Coconut oil in the product heals your skin, and also intensive hydrating formula makes your skin smooth. On the other hand, it also makes your nails strong. These gloves contain milk extract and hyaluronic acid, and they provide pleasure and let you get rid of stress. As the product is rich with essential oil and floral extract, it repairs skin while deeply nourishing and moisturizing damaged skin cells. According to the users, Epielle Intensive Repairing Hand Masks work as promised, and they love the product as it helps dry skin through giving moisturizing benefits. But a number of users think that the product is not really worthy. So let's check out the ratings. We were overwhelmed by the benefits and the price of this hand mask, so we're going to give it 5 out of 5 stars in total. If you're looking for an affordable and fast-acting hand mask for getting soft hands within just 10 minutes, the Aveeno Repairing CICA hand mask might be the right option for your precious skin. This glove helps to restore necessary moisture, and additionally, it maintains extra dry skin while being gentle on sensitive skin. It contains the goodness of prebiotic oats and shea butter extract that work well to make your hands look smoother. Plus, it balances your pH level. It is packed with rich ingredients and is formulated to repair problem skin intensely. Apart from that, this moisturizing hand mask is easy to use and is also dermatologist recommended for skincare. It is made without paraben and is also fragrance-free as well. The Aveeno Repairing CICA hand mask is a highly recommended product on Amazon, as it is a great product and it also works well on dry skin. But some of the users were not satisfied with this product. Moving on to the ratings, we absolutely loved the quality and the affordability of this product, so overall it will get 5 out of 5 stars. Those were our top 5 best hand masks. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.